So friends, in our previous videos, we have seen that how we can configure general settings in Odoo. Now we will see some settings related to the CRM. So we will again go into the settings. So here in the settings, we have the CRM option. In CRM option, we can define either we want to have the recurring revenue, so we can select it. And if we want to manage the leads and opportunities, so we can select it here. Now, if I want to assign salesperson into multiple sales teams, so I can select this multi-team option here. Then we have predictive lead scoring option. So it will have some probabilities that at what stage it should be called as a lead and it should be called as an opportunity. So these sort of stuff can be managed from here, and we can update the probabilities. Now we can select the rule-based assignment, where we can assign some rules on which basis Odoo will automatically create a lead. So once we select it here, it will create option that either it should be running manually, it should be repeatedly doing, so we can select it here. Then we have lead generation column. Here we have lead enrichment option available. So from the company related information, you can enrich your leads that either you want to extract the leads or not. Then you have the lead mining option available, and then we have the option of visit to leads. So basically this option converts visitor of your website into leads. So this is the general configuration for setting up the CRM stuff. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with us for more videos.